How to use the Fitness app on your iPhone 8 Plus without an Apple Watch. First, open the Fitness app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe down on the home screen and search for Fitness. On the summary screen, you can see your daily activity. For example, the Move section shows your active calories, while Steps shows how many steps you've taken. You can also see the total distance you've traveled. You'll find Trends, where you can view your average activity, including move calories, distance, walking pace, and running pace. You may see dashes for walking or running pace if your iPhone doesn't have enough data yet. You'll also find Awards, which shows achievements you've earned by reaching different activity goals. To make sure your iPhone can track your movement, open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Then select Motion and Fitness, and make sure fitness tracking is turned on. And that's how you can use the Fitness app on your iPhone 8 Plus without an Apple Watch. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.